In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable margin on Robinhood. Whether you're looking to change your investment strategy or simply manage your risk better, turning off margin is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can understand exactly how to navigate this feature in your Robinhood account. First, you'll need to access Robinhood's platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Robinhood website. As you land on the homepage, you'll see the familiar branding that assures you're in the right place. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where the Login button resides. Give it a click, which will usher you to the login page. Enter your username and password credentials to safely access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Robinhood homepage, where you can view your portfolio and other key financial information. Now, we need to make our way over to the Account section. Navigate to the menu that includes options like Account, found typically at the bottom part of the sidebar. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, take a moment to click on Profile, which will take you further into the depths of your account settings. Having reached your profile page, look for the option labeled Settings. This section is essential, as it houses a myriad of options allowing for customization and tailoring of your account. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a new selection titled Investing. In the Investing section, there are numerous options concerning how you'd like to handle your investments. Find the option for Margin Investing. This setting controls whether you are currently using borrowed funds to buy stocks, amplifying both your potential gains and losses. Finally, within the Margin Investing settings, you should see an option to disable margin. Follow the prompts to turn it off. Disabling margin means that your account will no longer utilize borrowed funds for investing, and from here on, you'll strictly be using your own capital for any trades or investments you make on Robinhood. That's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully disabled margin on your Robinhood account, allowing you more control and potentially less exposure to risk in the financial markets. Remember, investment strategies can vary widely from person to person, and ensuring your account settings align with your objectives is crucial. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more videos on navigating financial tools and platforms.